Hey guys, we have a little new project here.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
So technically, our house is all the way done on the inside,
Minus the laundry room.
but it's just an unfinished laundry room. That's pretty standard for here. So we are going to finish it, but technically, we're all the way done. Could sell the house, but we want to stay. Now we have kind of a fun idea to do it in this downstairs playroom. This has been our TV/workout room. And our goal is to have the room underneath the garage be the workout room. So,
When we first moved in, this is what this room looked like. And now, before we moved in, we did carpet and paint, and we just didn't really ever finish it beyond that. So now we're going to finish it and make it a little bit more fun.
yeah, so let me show you this real quick. It's not bad right now. It's nice-ish, but we just have a couple of more ideas. Let me show you.
And everything's moved out right now. So, well, not
Yeah.
everything, but a lot of stuff is moved out right now, so we can
Yeah,
work
so
on it.
I've already started, but that is the door that goes into the rest of the house. That's a door to the outside. So we just put new carpet, new paint, old fireplace, and made this a livable room. Added can lights. So now what I have to do is finally patch some of these holes that were left over. And we're going to turn all this brick white.
Like the fireplace we did upstairs.
Yep. I have to, you can see like down right there, I have some what's that called?
Foam.
Some inflatable foam?
Insulation foam?
I don't know. The foam in a can that expands. Some expandable foam. And so I'm going to take off the baseboards and expand foam that really, really good. There's a little bit drafty through there. And then put those baseboards back up. So anyway, our ideas here. First off, we kind of have a weird crack. We've had someone look at it. It's not structural, but I've drywall patched that a couple times and it keeps coming back. So just the annoyance of it, what we've come up with is we're going to put a couple pieces of metal sheets of metal. We're going to put a couple of sheets of metal on that wall. And then we're going to build some type of magnet marble run, which will be a super fun thing for the kids. Mm-hmm. We'll have to have some type of step, maybe even a built-in step or something so that they can reach the top. I don't know how we'll do that. Maybe like a ladder that slides.
That'd be cool.
That will have metal and a marble run game on that wall, which should be super cool from a kid's perspective. Then over here will be like toys and stuff on the ground, pretty much how we had it. It's just little touch-ups and stuff we have to do.
Really, what I'm trying to convince Travis is up here to have a tube slide come out, because it could come through our living room upstairs, through the laundry room, and then out through here and twirl around. So I'm still working on that, but maybe one day we'll have a slide inside.
Yeah. Over here, we'll have a rock wall. We'll just put on some climbing rocks, whatever those things are called, on the wall. Maybe I'll have to like put some wood, what's it called, shiplap-ish type of wood, just to strengthen that whole wall there. We're going to put trim around the windows, trim around these windows, and then we're back to the fireplace. Anyway, right now I'm doing some drywall patches to start this off. We also need to repaint this ceiling. I don't know if you can tell in the picture, but it has a little, we've only done one coat of paint.
I did one coat, and it just about wore me out, and so now we have to go finish it up.
Yep.
Do the last
it needs another coat to turn true white. It's a little bit yellow.
True yellow.
Yeah.
And we need to do the handles on the door too.
Yeah. That door needs to be not only handles, but it needs another coat of paint as well. It was yellow when we moved in. So if you want to see how to redo what is
Playroom?
this? Kids playroom / TV room, follow along.
We took a little bit of a break after finishing the master bedroom, so it's taken kind of a while for us to get back in the swing of working on projects. So we didn't get a ton done this week, but we're really excited to show you the progress that we make next week now that we're back in the swing of working on things. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.